Model, 66-plate Nissan NV200 TEKNA 1.5 DCI 89PS needs clutch easy fix great spec Euro 6 no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 140473. MOT, the 28th of September 2025. Engine, 1461 cc K9 bhp E6A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Clutch will need replacing, gearbox sounds fine. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.